FC Goa's Instagram post dated 24th August has been flooded with comments from Iranian club Persepolis FC fans. People were left amazed by the comments that are more like apologies. But why are the Persepolis fans apologizing to the Gors? Well, if you recollect, FC Goa met the Iranian heavyweights twice in the group stages of the 2021-22 AFC Champions League 2 years ago. Since then, the clubs haven't crossed paths. But ahead of Persepolis' journey to India for their group stage match in 2021, the club's social media handle put up a post that received a lot of flack from the Indians. The post cited the Iranian invasion of India and the battles from the past between the two countries to encourage their team ahead of FC Goa challenge. The post allegedly hurt the sentiments of the people of India, and the All India Football Federation formally lodged a complaint with the Asian Football Confederation against the social media post. As a penalty for their actions, the AFC decided that the Tehran-based club would play their next home match in the competition without any spectators in the stands. Persepolis didn't participate in the 2022-23 edition of the Continental Club competition. Hence, they are yet to serve their ban. In the recently concluded draw for the ACL 2023-24 group stages, Persepolis were clubbed with CR7's Al Nassr, Qatar's Al Duhail, and FC Istiklal from Tajikistan in Group E. However, their opening match will be against CR7's Al Nassr in their home country. Hence, they have been commenting on FC Goa's post apologizing for their actions. Now, because of their ban, the fans will not be able to witness their team play against one of the greats of the game, CR7. Hence, they have now resorted to commenting on FC Goa's post and urging them to withdraw their complaint. A source from FC Goa close to the situation said, "Even we were confused with the comments pouring in. It was amusing, as the club has never filed a complaint in the first place."
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.